Kicking off 2024 with a vibrant RGB flourish, the RedMagic 9 Pro has emerged, promising an unparalleled gaming experience. Despite imminent competitors in the pipeline, it showcases several strengths compared to its rivals, setting itself apart even as they gear up for update. Beyond the typical yearly phone upgrades, significant changes have occurred. The battery's capacity has increased alongside a faster charger. The design has matured, particularly when the flashy lights are turned off. However, some aspects remain unchanged. The price remains competitive, the chipset boasts increased power, and it retains features like a cooling fan, capacitive triggers, and a plethora of in-game tools, ideal for gamers who enjoy fine-tuning settings within the gaming environment. While strong competitors are anticipated early in the year, the RedMagic 9 Pro asserts itself as one of the top gaming phones, offering exceptional performance at a reasonable price. Pre-orders for the RedMagic 9 Pro begin on December 27, with open sale starting on January 3, 2024, exclusively on RedMagic's online store. The standard model with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage is priced at $649, ASC $579, while the top-tier 16 to 501 12GB variant costs $799. In terms of pricing, the RedMagic 9 Pro is cheaper than the Google Pixel 8 or OnePlus 11, slightly more expensive than the Galaxy's 23 UFA. It stands shoulder to shoulder with top-tier models like the Galaxy's 23 or iPhone 15 in the US, whereas it costs less than these in the UK. RedMagic's design approach focuses on an edgy industrial appearance that's still practical for non-gaming use. The 9 Pro exhibits angular, flat-sided aesthetics, exuding a serious demeanor without being as flashy as its predecessors. Despite its unique appearance, it still retains some user-friendly features. For instance, it houses a headphone jack, a rarity in modern phones, and maintains familiar controls like power and volume buttons alongside the distinctive red game space slider for accessing gaming tools. The back of the RedMagic remains flat except for the flash module, ensuring stability and preventing snags in pockets. The cooling fan, almost camouflaged as a third camera sensor with RGB lighting, stands out, as do the air vents flanking the phone. Color options are tied to memory variants. For instance, the standard 12GB RAM 256GB version comes in sleek plain black, while the 16GB RAM 512GB edition offers Snowfall Silver or Cyclone, a mostly transparent design showcasing a carbon fiber-esque substrate with RedMagic branding and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 logo. Featuring a large 6.8-inch Type-C OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1600 nits peak brightness, the RedMagic 9 Pro offers an immersive visual experience. The under-display camera minimizes obstructions, and the 960 touch sampling rate ensures responsive on-screen controls. While not as bright as the Galaxy 23 Ultra, the RedMagic 9 Pro's display impresses with good viewing angles, even if colors aren't as vibrant. It boasts a Gorilla Glass 5 display panel for durability, but lacks water or dust resistance due to the cooling fan holes, requiring extra care to prevent damage from external elements.